Dad, what happened to your BS?
Well, I bought it off a marketplace like that. Looks like a dog attacked it. That's the only thing I could think of. And I mean, if it had to look like anything, I thought it probably looked like that.
Oh, dang! Ooh!
See the way it bit it?
Oh, and the owner's trying to stop it. Oh, you better not go near. That's stupid.
It's bad.
Yeah, did you see the way that dog attacked it?
Yeah.
Like,
bad.
very.
We got a lot of work ahead of us.
Yeah, that dog was vicious.
Better get started.
And do it fast.
Do it fast.
All systems go.
Interesting though. So yeah. You a little chewed up? Oh. This is gonna be a fun one. Let's get it laid out and then we'll go from there and see what we need to do. Alright. Let's see that it got 2 teeth marks in this screen down here. And then that screen looks fine. You got chewed up over here. And your shoulder pad or button. That's completely broke. That's fine. You don't need those. Oh, no stylus. It is the Nintendo 2DS. Let's see if it even turns on or does anything at all. Got blue light. I hear it. It's on. But I must have picked something, I don't know. Yep. I can see there's massive cracks right up in there. That dog did a number on this thing. Hopefully that camera ain't destroyed. Or these cameras. Because there's a bite mark right there. Oh, touchscreen still works down here, but... Oh, let's get it apart and go from there. Yeah! Tell you what, these are some small ass screws. This is a tiny board, everything tiny. Alright, I believe this should come apart now. Make sure that I got all. Oh, there's a screw. I knew I'd miss one. It looks like that might be the only one holding it, so motherboard screws. Yep. And there it is. Your motherboard. Set. Well, it's good. Didn't smash it all the way down to the board. There's a little bit of a something right there. But yeah, ain't nobody pay attention to that. Charging port though. She's been eaten up. She destroyed. Let's put a new one of those on. Other than that, the speaker, a little dirty. Looks fine. Not much to these. We'll put that aside and get all of our buttons out here. The joypad, Joy-Con, whatever you want to call it. Alright, now I've got all those out. This should pop out. Other than this is in the way of the screen. Wonder. How that. Oh, just turn it. It'll come out. Just turn it. Bet you anything this screen's held in by glue. Oh. Or maybe not. Maybe yes, maybe no. I just don't know. Oh. Okay. I guess that's how it comes out. Sure. Yep. There we go. It's all smashed. Held in very, very tight. What we do need though is digitizer, they call it, I guess, because we got a new case to put it in. Because I don't think I want it back in this one. What do you think? Okay. Get the other screen or the other case out. Our flavor of choice is black. So yeah, see, let me get this all cleaned up here before I put in the new one. This all came off eBay, I believe. A little bit of scratches here and there, but not too bad. A little dirty. Needs cleaned up. But should work fine. Okay. Let's we have to take the cameras off the top. Yep, that should be it. Let's get these cameras out. Well, if I'd paid attention to the other one, this one's already got its camera still in it. So we don't need that. They have a spare. Sweet. I think I'm going to start with hot air. Low fan, high heat. Let that warm up, and where is, here it is. Our replacement charging ports. Let's get at it. There she goes. think I'm gonna get over and fix that charging port. So I'll see you over at the microscope. Alright. The new screen. I guess I should put it on the mat. Let's do that. It's a thing of beauty. Let's get it installed. Now let's see if we get that charging port working. 3, 2, 1. Charge light. We fixed it. Oh, there we go. It's working. We saved it.
Hey, Dad, did you fix it?
I sure did.
Thanks. Bye.
I guess she's gonna have more fun than I am. Well, hey, what else happens when you fix things? But we did save it from the dump. That is a good thing. So, bring it over here. But if she enjoys this one, I'm just going to go ahead and say, remember, go out there, find those retro systems.
And fix them.
Find those retro games and continue to grow your retro stash. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.